All right, guys, we are back out here today with the collab you have all been waiting for. Tim and I are finally getting a video out together. We were looking for that perfect collab to kind of bring it back and tie it all in since I've been back to YouTube. And I think we finally found it. Tim is hauling the Elvis jet for Jimmy's World, and they just happen to be in Plant City, which is a 25-minute drive from our shop right here in Dade City. And Tim hit me up and said that Jimmy needed someone to unload the jet or needed some help with some equipment, and we have our telehandler, so we're gonna be taking that down to Plant City. We're gonna stop at our buddy Paul's place with Complete Land Solutions, or buyAskidsteer.com. Give him a plug there, and thank you, Paul, for letting us borrow a skid steer. We're gonna head over there and pick up a skid steer, and then we're gonna find a way to get this Elvis jet off the trailer. It's pretty crazy. Elvis's jet is in our parking lot.
That's nuts, dude.
Who is that guy anyways?
The singer.
Singer.
Good on the guitar.
the guitar. All right, we're getting all this stuff chained and strapped down. Let's go check out this jet. Look at all the rat crap in here. Look at all this.
Insane.
Some reeks of rat duty. Look at all that. It's crazy how many control systems are in the back of a jet to make one of these things operate. Look at the corrosion. Yeah, this is right here is why this plane can never ever fly again. That much corrosion. It's just, it's a lawn ornament, or maybe a Airbnb, or a Elvis jet limousine one day. It must have, that right there is probably the heater or something.
It's insane though.
This is all like a full fiberglass pipe or something there. And right there is definitely like the bottom side of the plane. Right there's where the engine used to be mounted. They just like cut the wings completely off of it. Look at that. We're like, it's been one heck of a sawzall. The Elvis jet. All right, guys, so we're all got the telehandler all loaded up. We're gonna go to Paul's. The jet's freaking cool. I don't know if I'm kind of nervous to unload that thing. He spent like 240 grand on that boy. Still the Elvis jet. I don't know if it's $240,000 the Elvis jet, but it's the Elvis jet for sure, ain't it?
Yep.
All right, let's hit the road, go to Paul's.
Wow.
You have to put it together up here.
Come on, I'll put you in there.
All I gotta do is step there and then step there. On the other side. Yeah, it's your. Yeah. Got it.
Oh, wow.
All right, Rats, put her there.
I think that's what those DOT officers thought we were going to do. Safety.
Nosy Franny.
Yeah. It is actually pretty cool in there. They got seats in.
Some stinks. I heard he died in there.
No, he did not.
That's where it's the step place.
All right, pulling up in here to Paul's house. He's got a couple different machines we can choose from. He said he may just send us with a mini wheel loader. See if Tim can get that boat trailer pulled in here. It's definitely gonna be tight. He may have to park out there in the road. Ooh, hope he don't clip Paul's freaking posts. Nope, he got it. I think that trailer's not a full 53, I don't think. I'm not sure. We'll have to ask Tim. All right, guys, this portion of the video is sponsored by Complete Land Solutions. Thanks to Paul for letting us borrow not only a skid steer, but a freaking R630 Kubota. That's gonna be really handy for unloading this jet. Check them out at buyAskidsteer.com. You can contact us at Buy a Tractor for all your tractor needs, but hit Paul up for all your construction equipment. BuyAskidsteer.com. Let's get this thing chained down. We're gonna go unload that jet. Oh, I just can't. This is so cool.
It's insane.
It's Elvis.
Yeah.
All right, guys, I made it down here to Mr. Jimmy's World, and we're gonna get this stuff unloaded, and we gotta get this thing back there in those big red buildings. So we haven't walked back there yet, but he kind of got a private location where no one can find this thing, and he's gonna be doing all the work to it, so we're gonna help him unload it. Again, thanks to Paul for this mini wheel loader. Definitely having two machines is gonna make the biggest difference.
Coming down through there last night, I thought, how are we gonna get the thing off? And it hit me. I'm like, Bruce has got all kinds of equipment.
Yeah, so the telehandler's mine. I know it says rental, but we bought it at an auction a few years back, and then Kubota belongs to a friend of mine, Paul. You heard about what we were doing. He sells construction equipment. He said, just come get whatever you need.
Oh, heck yeah.
So we
man.
went and grabbed that from him. I gotta
His
get Paul
dad
plugged
is
with
a Elvis fanatic. Dude.
yeah.
Paul, all right, yeah, do the plug. What-
Paul with Complete Land Solutions. So shout out to Paul.
Where's he at?
He's right here in Zephyr Hills.
Oh, is he
Not
really?
far from here. Yeah, he sells construction equipment.
Oh, heck
so
yeah. Thank you, Paul.
He let us borrow that thing to get the sand loaded.
Yeah, it was crazy. We pulled in. He's just like, get whatever. I was like,
He's got hundreds of machines. Yeah, he's like, take whatever.
And
you
his
need.
dad was there, and he just melted over. Like his dad, that's what he said to me. He's like, the reach is just crazy because he said, my dad sent this to me off your TikTok 2 days ago, and he don't know who you are. And his dad told him, he's like, Bruce knows that guy.
Yeah.
And then all of a sudden, here we come rolling in to get equipment. And
So the only people that were not happy to see Elvis's jet was Elvis's.
yeah, Elvis's people. Yeah.
Elvis, the Graceland.
Crazy.
That's ironic.
I would have thought they would have been so happy to see that thing.
So, me too.
I think they might see you as competition for him.
I was trying to do something for them. I didn't ask
There
them
was
for
people
anything.
there waiting on us to there were people taking pictures
Yeah.
of it. People in the parking lot just so excited to see it there.
You know,
I
this
was
thing.
trying to plug it so they can get more people to come into the Graceland and stuff
Yeah.
like that. And I wasn't asking for anything of them. I just said,
heard.
hey, that would be cool, and have it there for a little bit. And they were like, get that thing out of here.
The more I think about it, if you're gonna turn this thing into an RV, this has the potential to be bigger than the Wienermobile.
Oh, heck yeah.
Think about it. Like everybody sees the you know people
Yeah.
have tried to buy that
Yeah.
Wienermobile, Cletus.
Everybody
Like,
is.
If there's ever any vehicle that could be for sale, that'd be the one that bring top dollar. But imagine the Elvis Jet RV.
The King Mobile.
There you go.
There you go.
Bruce is tired.
Oh, sure it's long enough?
Well, he said it's 50 feet, and we cut that at 42.
Is that what the doors?
12-foot wide, 14-foot tall doors. And that thing is only like 8 feet wide, not even that.
Why can't they be some of these at home?
This would be a perfect shop.
This was a miracle find.
Yeah.
Yeah,
This don't exist in Tennessee. If it does, it's $20,000.
Was this listed like for rent somewhere?
on Facebook Marketplace. Because we were supposed to be at the Plant City Airport with a huge, 100 by 100 hangar, and I had it all worked out with the local guys and everything, and then they're like, well, let me just double check, and then it freaking went to the airport authority, and they're like, no, we don't want that thing there. So it would have been really easy because you would have pulled your truck in, we would have just went, whoa, and then set it down, and you guys would have went on about
So
your
you're
day.
gonna do all the work right here?
Yeah, this is where she's gonna happen.
Too bad you don't have any more space that way.
I would have rented the whole building now.
Is there somebody who got this side around?
Yeah, I snuck my eyeballs over there, and it looks like they're just storage.
And that'd be perfect. If you get one more bay, you could just turn it around any way you want.
Mm-hmm. So I think what we're gonna do, I've got these jacks right here that we'll be able to put up under where the tail wheels, the main gear goes, somewhere in there. And then set it finally on the front, unless we can find some jack points on the front. And then when I've got one more at my hangar that's at Plant City, so it's about 15 minutes away.
I think what we need to do is just Tim, try to get as close to that wall as possible. And we'll get it up, and then you pull out from underneath it.
I like that
Or
idea.
probably get the tail section off first, I
Well,
guess.
if you two run the machine, I can pull up.
And then once we get it off, and then we can use the little loader since it's not gonna pick up very high.
Yeah.
And it can just support one end of it, and then that thing can boom in and out as far as we need to. I think we're gonna have to use a little one to just back in here.
Yep. That's what I was kind of thinking is using.
But which way do you want it in? You want the nose facing out?
Yeah, I don't have to, so that
Door can
and
open.
if we have nose facing in, it needs to go this way,
On this
so
side,
that
yeah.
the door, you can get inside of it. And if it's on that side, the tail needs to go in first.
You're about to have a lot of hot summer here working this thing.
Oh yeah.
Hot.
Yeah. I was already looking at the electrical panel right there.
Should be ventilation fan.
I was gonna go up there, hook up a big fan, and grab a couple of AC units. It's 200 amp box, and there's only a few things, but you have to edit that out because the owner doesn't know I'm gonna be doing that.
Nah, Bruce. You guys got it. We'll see you
Yeah,
later.
that's right. All right, we're going down to get some barbecue. We'll see you guys.
So,
later.
do we care a lot about the rear? As far as like the interior?
So, spelling it out, the sheet metal of that airplane is where all the money is. Okay.
All right, guys. So, here's the plan. We're going to stick the forks in the rear of this cone of the jet because they don't really care about the inside because it's corroded terribly bad, as you've seen earlier. Lots of fecal matter from rats. So we're going to pick it up. What they really care about is the outside because he's going to be selling the outside skin of the jet for, what was the word for it? No one can say it. Some memorabilia. So we're going to get this thing picked up off here very carefully and hopefully not to damage any of the skin. He's going to be selling that stuff. The inside doesn't really care about because it's pretty much all garbage. So that's what we're going to try to do. Let's see if we can get this thing off here. We got to watch out for this trailer behind us too.
Dude, I feel so cool having a mic on.
We're going to have to run a strap from the forks to the front, I'm sure. Oh, this thing stinks so bad.
Oh, it does, dude.
Good Lord.
It is horrible. Pure skill, boys.
Find out. Where's your carpet at?
Yeah, give him a piece of carpet.
Everything turned off.
Is it coming up?
Yeah.
Is the nose up yet?
It's starting to come up, but it ain't up. Yeah, you're up. All right, now back up. I don't need no video unloading.
This rear pole is going to be an issue, I think, on both sides. Where do we want to set this thing at? I just don't want to damage the skin.
I would set it on top of that Humvee thing.
Maybe move your Humvee and we'll put it in the dirt, so instead of on the gravel. Can I go up more? Am I clear?
You're good. Come on back, Bruce. Clear, baby. Oh, it would not be.
I don't know if it's going to go high enough.
Probably something else.
Well, we can use that one and put someone up there to run straps over it from the other side. Tim putting dents in the man's
Did it come
airplane.
over?
Well, it ain't putting it over. We got to hook it on the forks. Tim,
Yeah.
take the strap out of the ratchet. To go over the
Here it
rail
comes.
of the machine. Not well. Ryan, hand him that strap.
Did I damage any panels?
Good job. Should be. What? Let me get you close. You can just stand on top of it. You sure? All right. Brought oil.
What are you doing?
Sketchy. Hey, run it on the other side of the fork. Because we want it to be as wide as possible. Like on the... Yeah, through there, yeah. There you go. Just stay up there and we'll... Yep. I don't know where the heck we're gonna hook this thing at. There's like nothing to like... No, that ain't gonna hold the whole plane up.
Alright, I just did our OSHA sponsorship video, so we're good.
Oh, good. I was hoping you would get that done. Can you go down through the wing? Inside of it?
That ain't gonna work.
What if you pull it down and then put it in with this side?
The stuff's gonna cut if we're not careful. Or will it reach?
Yeah, it'll
To you?
reach, but
How are you gonna hook them together?
I'd say that side there, or we could just put it on the lip here. After we run it down through the wing, come down through and then hook it here.
And then do that side to this?
And then this side we use a ratchet. But you're gonna have to pull the strap and then put it through over there with this.
How much slack you got? Oh, that's it.
Up there.
That's it. That's all we got, bud. Good? Sketchy. What are those straps weighted to? Weight limit 3,500, 3,300. That's the weight that it's in there now.
So 33 and 30.
9,000 pounds straps.
Does this thing
Yeah,
take
but
us
you
weights
gotta-
on it?
That's like pulled one way, so you gotta.
Well, the front's right now probably heavier than the rest of everything.
That's not.
The front up.
Oh, jeez. Are you serious right now?
So what do you think about pulling the bars off out of the way? Because those back there.
The only issue is we got to get it up the landing gear.
It don't seem like it's giving this thing an issue.
This is so sketch, dude.
Can you hold it up a second, Bruce? We gotta check this.
This is heavy in the front. What do you want me to do? Probably good. Yikes. That bar is just like in there. On the other side? Leave that back one in there until we're like ready to be done. But now how are we gonna get this one out? Is it in there? So while we've been using these little straps, we've got the plane up, obviously. This whole thing is just really sketchy. I forgot about us having these 4-inch straps from our friends over at trucktrailerpro.com. Check them out. So we're gonna grab these big old thick boys and add them to it. So I feel way more comfortable having these on there.
I was trying to tell you.
Ryan, I tried telling you that you should have had. You're like, no.
What we have will work. Yeah.
Ryan's a professional strapper.
Oh.
Stay strapped or get clapped. Isn't that what they say?
I guess so.
You know, I was really hoping to get some Freds for lunch.
Sounds good.
I know, it sounds so good.
Some of that sweet tea right now.
Oh,
man.
Shut your mouth.
Are you kidding me?
Shut your mouth. Oh, mother missed it.
It went
Close.
over.
I can make it through there, just next shot I'll get it.
He used to play baseball.
I used to play baseball. I know what I'm doing.
Third time's the charm.
I think someone needs to get in the truck and back it up just a little bit because that nose is stuck. I'm just gonna pick it up some more. The telehandler will stay right where it's at. Trying to watch out whatever those things are on the side of it. It's right there at it. That's rocking it back made it worse. You go backward or forward? Why don't we take the strap loose and put the pillow on that corner? Or you know what? Actually, if I back up, it'll pull it away from that corner. Yeah. So just watch it real close. Oh, we just tried that and it doesn't. Tell me when to stop. All right, guys, this thing is off the trailer, but we are far from being done with getting this thing off of here. I'm so glad we got this little mini loader from Paul. This thing's making all the difference, but this is so sketchy. We really should have had a crane to do this job. But nonetheless, what we're gonna do now is go down with it, and he's gonna get some aviation jacks that we're gonna put underneath the main spar there where the wing is. And see if we get this thing on the ground, go get some lunch. Maybe go to Fred's.
Dude, that's gonna taste so good.
We're not going to do anything after we get back from going to Fred's. We'll be so lazy. Well, folks, we're gonna set this thing down nice and easy with precisionally skilled labor. Something like that. With precision. You're probably going to have to back up some, Tim. He needs to go down. His ain't really doing nothing. Just tell him to get down and back up. Or hang on, hang on. All right.
He's crazy.
You want me to go back up? You don't want to put it like in here somewhere? 'Cause it's holding up on it again. I can pick it up a little bit. You want to, it has this chance of sliding right here. Put it like right here.
Fit in there?
Well, it doesn't need to fit in there. It needs to kind of have something to grab against, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Other side. There you go. Right there. Okay, we made it back from lunch. Shout out to Fred's Country Kitchen in Plant City. The place is delicious, and I feel miserable. What we've done, we've leaned the telehandler all the way over, tightened up this front strap to hopefully move the center of gravity a little bit. I'm gonna pick it up while leaning the machine back over. See what happens.
And Tim Gentry's here.
Yeah, that too.
Tim Gentry is on the scene.
Woo, I don't know.
God, I hate that.
I can't hear him. Is he yelling at me?
He said that's working a lot better.
That's the strap readjusting. We're good. All right, I'm not gonna.
You what, mate? You okay? Your nerves are up?
It's his airplane, not mine. We're gonna have to go that way, then back up because.
I'm just the truck driver. You're the recovery expert.
Yikes.
I think we're just going with it at this point.
This is so sketchy. We've said sketchy so many times in this video. This is a lot of weight on this telehandler. This far, and I just gotta push her straight in. But like everything else, it's easier said than done.
This is definitely
This
the
has been a
craziest-
long, boring video for like viewers at home, but for me, it's so nerve-wracking. This is the first day I've ever met Jimmy, and I'm picking up this $250,000 airplane.
One of a kind.
And there you have it. Now I just gotta shove her into the hole there. You ever seen like the Roadrunner cartoon where the train's trying to go through the mountain?
Yep.
That's what it's about to look like. I'm gonna put that in here somewhere.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
None of this was structural back here.
Of course. So we want the bottom of it still.
We don't want to lift up.
But we want the bottom of the airplane to stay nice still.
Hey, can we use those crossbars with the boat thing that he had?
I mean, I'm
Throw
sure.
a couple of them on here. There's none, like none of them.
And those might would keep it from flipping.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Oh, buddy. Buddy, old pal.
And now do a wiggle test. Wiggle test. Shake it.
I do believe we're in
That's more
business.
stable than a Peterbilt.
I think that's gonna work.
Come on down, Bruce. You about got it where it's level up there. Beautiful, right there, buddy.
That'll keep the wheel straight too if it's down
Yeah.
low.
This is nuts.
Gotta take the thing off the front. What do we need to do?
Yeah, you're gonna have to go to the. You're all right.
I can cap whatever.
Because you're gonna get snagged. Yep, straighten out. You're good. You're good. You're good.
We're gonna run out of room with that dolly in a minute.
Good job, camera guy. Shoot you out, Brucey boy.
That's insane, dude.
It's in. So now for anyone in the future that needs your private jet moved inside of a hangar, y'all be sure to call Blue Collar Jet Hauling, $250 an hour.
That's wicked,
This has
dude.
been your operator speaking.
That's insane.
You know what that's from?
Mm-mm.
It's pilot talk. You ever been in an airplane? Pilot's like, yeah, we're about 37,000 feet. We're gonna start our descent here in about a minute. It'd be a smooth ride into Tampa International Airport. I feel like Joe Byron speaking. That's how Joe Byron be doing.
I think we get 3.5 on Bruce's and 3.5 on mine.
Hey, that's 250,000.
Go a little bit more. Woo, doggy.
There we go. Dang old spaceship cut.
Oh yeah.
Yeehaw!
Woo! We're doing it now, boy.
Beam me up, Starsky. Boys, it is so hot. I am hot. Tired. Need some water. I gotta poop. I'm ready to go to the shop. We get nothing done today. It's about even with this one. Tim showed us a little bit of it, but I just want to show on camera.
And here, watch this thing. There's a
Ladder.
falling. Let me get a door for you, sir.
Oh, thank you, thank you. After you knock yourself
Oh,
Oh, perfect now.
Heck yeah!
A lot better than being on the trailer.
first class, boy.
First class. Up in the
Here, we're gonna
sky.
see just how stable this thing
Ship
is.
plane. I think we're
Oh,
good.
Yeah, it wiggles.
Come on, Ryan. Open up these windows. See some light in here.
Dude, the smell of this place in here.
Smells
Remember,
like
walk slow. We're on jacks right now.
smells like drugs and
Something else, but we're not gonna say it.
women. Microwave, check that out.
Sharing TV.
I've never seen that in his video. Microwave from 1960. Isn't that crazy?
Oh,
I gotta be careful, I don't break nothing.
this is nuts.
It's like a little fridge or something where they had ice for the trip. Check that out. Pretty cool.
I wonder where he sat in here.
Got a timer. So cool. Look at all this stuff.
What is that?
I have no clue. Oh, it must be. It's like coffee things where they held liquids. You press that to
Oh,
let liquid
yeah.
come out. It's got, see, it's got weight tags everywhere because for weight and balance reasons. It tells you how much weight you can put in certain spots. So you don't throw off the center of gravity and stuff in the plane. Boy, look at that. Even like the golden belt buckles and stuff. It's like brass. It's all brass stuff. So I think Mr. Jimmy is going to be selling a lot of the stuff off the plane for like memorabilia to fund the project, turn this thing into an RV. Because obviously you guys seen he spent like 240 grand, $250,000 to buy this thing, and he's got to fund the project somehow. So he's gonna be selling a lot of parts off of it. So be checking out Jimmy's World on YouTube for any of my subscribers that don't already follow him, and check him out. Heck, it might be an Airbnb. You might be able to book a night in this thing.
Ooh, it'd be a hot night.
I hope there's no spiders in here, Ryan.
Don't even play. All right.
Oh, hang on. I'll show people the cockpit.
That's what I was trying to do.
Check that out. Lockheed cockpit. So it had 4 engines on it. Obviously not on there now, but Pretty cool. All right, folks. We'll put a nail in the coffin of the Elvis jet. That boy is packed in its home until who knows when. So get this Kubota loaded up. There's a few other little parts on here we've got to get off of Timmy's trailer and get shoved in the apartment there. It's a long day. See, we got here at what, like 11 o'clock?
Somewhere
Around 11 o'clock. And it's like 4:30 now.
Close to it.
4:30.
I'm in
Been a while since we collabed, Jimmy.
Man, what a day. Well
Until
done.
next time.
Yep.
So Jimmy mentioned he's got a RV.
That has been kicking our butt in Fort Lauderdale. It was donated to us, and we were supposed to get it going for a Army veteran that lost their house in the hurricane, and the freaking RV has just been kicking our butt. And thankfully, that family has found a home, so we don't have to be in such a hurry. But it was still donated to us. We still got to get it going, and I don't know jack about diesels, so maybe he can fly down there with us.
We're gonna maybe fly down there
help it.
and try to get it stolen, and then we'll drive it back.
I mean, it's Florida. Like, it's 100% Florida. Camouflage green.
Oh boy,
Yeah.
pressure washing videos, those always do good.
Yeah,
they're
there you go.
pretty Awesome. Bruce, I'm sure I'm 99% positive if anybody can get it going, he'll get it going.
Oh yeah.
We'll figure it out for
There
sure.
you go.
Well, we're gonna back to shop.
Man, thank you. Seriously. I was coming down the road yesterday and I was thinking, like, how in the heck are we
I
going
thought
to
you
get
already
this?
had something set up.
No, we were winging it. We were going to just try
You
to.
guys were driving so freaking fast, I couldn't keep up. I was like, you're
No,
gonna
we
be here
weren't. We were going
tomorrow?
the speed limit and using our logs correctly.
Yeah.
That's
All
right.
right, we'll leave on that note.
Yes. All right.
All right, guys, make sure y'all smash that like button, subscribe. This is a fun video. We haven't done something like this fun in a long time. And comment down below if you think that Elvis jet is as cool as it looks and everybody's made it out to be. It's definitely freaking cool. See y'all later.